If your underarms are 2 shades darker than the rest of your body, your knees are giving Street Fighter, and your thighs, let's just say they've seen better days, don't scroll. I found a scrub that gave me baby smooth, glowing skin for the price of a cup of coffee. And no, I'm not gatekeeping. Yes, what you need to make it at home. A cup of white sugar. You can go in with brown sugar if you have sensitive skin. And then you add 1/3 cup of coconut oil. This moisturizes, soothes and heals dry patches. We are going to go in with a teaspoon of turmeric. This is what gives that glow and evens out skin tone. Optional but bougie, a few drops of lavender or tea tree essential oil is totally up to you. Just mix everything together until it's a golden scrubby goodness. Now hop in the shower and apply to damp skin. Massage in circles gently, but don't be shy. Focus on areas like underarms, inner thighs, knees, elbows, booty and back of the neck. Yes, the spots we all forget. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. That's when the turmeric does its thing. Then rinse with warm water and pat with a dark towel because turmeric stains. Use it 2 to 3 times a week. Follow up with a moisturizer or body oil. Don't just overdo it. Like, share and hit that subscribe button so we can glow up together. See you in the next one.